Alright guys, so this is what we got going this week. We got the radiator in for the truck. We got the fuel system for the truck, the fast fuel system, titanium series. We got the steering column, I ordered that, Flaming River. So I mean, we got some good stuff. We can make some good headway on this truck. As always, we're still waiting on that engine for that Mach 1, so that's still on hold for a little bit. We're waiting for Clayton to get over here to be able to weld the roll cages, get all that stuff fitted and everything. So in the meantime, we've been really focusing on this truck, getting everything done and everything. Oh, I didn't even think about it. Y'all can see the paint booth. There's that white 66 we talked about. New wheels coming for that this week, so y'all probably see that. I'll show y'all the fuel system going here. The thing about the column is, I found it on Facebook Marketplace. The Flaming River, it's chrome. So, really not totally sure how well that's gonna work out, but whatever. If we have to, we'll paint it. I'll take it apart, powder coat it, whatever. I'll figure something out. But here's a fast fuel system we got here. Ooh, follow here. So, bought a fuel system for a 12 valve Cummins in a, I think it's like a 94, 98 Dodge, something like that. But got a sticker. We'll have to take it. But came with all the fuel line. I bought the whole assembly, all the fittings, everything. I already stuck the filters on it. I'm messing around with it, so work on getting the brackets and stuff mounted for this. It's a titanium series. So sure hope these are as good as people say, because I really don't want any fuel issues, just like I don't want any cooling issues. That's why the radiator I bought for this thing is for a freaking Peterbilt. So I'm gonna pull all the shit I can pull. Pardon my French. But I'm just saying. But yeah. So, then I got the tilt column, Flaming River. Got a pretty good deal on it. Yeah, we were gonna go with a stubby column, but we decided the way we're gonna come out up top, it'll be better if it was longer. So it measures out to like a 28. So I'm pretty sure this is a 30. So 2 inches never hurt nobody. So that's why I just said screw it and I bought it. So, but today we're gonna work on getting the radiator and stuff in. At least get it half mocked up and everything. Get it set down in there, because that's a big hold up. So yeah. You ready? I did a quarter. Right? We're talking about 3/8, so I just figured I'd do a quarter. That's fine. Hell no! Don't do that with a file. My luck, I'm like, what'd you do? I made a Hot Wheels track out here.
Looks good all the way around.
Now it's coming here on the rack.
Yeah, it's still.
And when we do the intercooler, I'll just do those holes, put it up here, we'll mark the holes real through, and we'll clamp all that to this, and then we can, well, if we have to, if it's like a lot of weight on just this, we can make like a reinforcement plate off this front side,
Oh yeah.
like a gusset. I'm wondering if I should make something for here.
A cover?
Yeah. So it'll force air through.
Like neoprene?
No,
Or like you need like plastic? Oh, you need metal?
Yeah, I'll get some sheet metal, and I can put some relief holes in it as well, and do that. Get the metal break it, or even where it just bolts flat to this straight across, and just dimple that beam roll.
We need to buy a beaver roller.
You know what I mean?
We're gonna go out and laser at your Tombstone in the chair.
You just need You said that gave us.
It was 7 and 8. From here. I went off of this.
Oh, you went off the bit.
I went off of the I had 7 and It was like 6 and something, right? 6 and some change.
5 1/4 there, the total thing. But like this bottom piece, that fits, it's just this rubber. That's a big ass radiator, dude. Alright, this is what we got. We got the radiator put into it. We're gonna make some brackets here in a little while and stuff. We're not gonna bore you with it, doing any of that, everything. So we had to come in here, we had to trim the bottom right here. So it puts this little ledge for it to sit on, which works out for us because I'm gonna put a piece of angle iron here that will bolt to that, come up, and there will be our 2 bolt holes right there. And once that's in, we'll come in here and we'll trim this. We'll probably use this as center, trim this for the intercooler and stuff. We'll get the intercooler and everything mounted. Once that's on there and everything, hopefully, there's a company I've been working with out of Colorado. It's DTI Trucks. They're helping me get the steering gearbox and stuff for this chassis. I've been having a heck of a time trying to find the steering setup for this thing. So hopefully we'll have that, and then we can start getting the column and stuff mounted in the cab and that, because I don't want to punch a hole in the firewall until I know exactly where everything's gonna sit. And then I was messing with the fuel system just a while ago, and what I'll probably do, come right here on the inside of this frame, and then I'll have the frame there, then I'll have the fuel system or fuel pump and everything mounted there. So it'll be easy, accessible. That way it can go straight up to the pump, since the pump and everything's right there. So once all that stuff is done, hopefully that'll be the last of that type of stuff, and then we can start doing the headache rack and everything on the bed, because we want to get the stacks and stuff made, get everything spaced where it's supposed to be spaced out. That way we can go ahead and get everything pulled apart, and we can get the frame to powder coat. We don't want to try building the headache rack or anything without knowing where it sits on the cab. That way we know it's center, we know it matches up to the window, all that stuff. So once that's mocked up, so to speak, we can go ahead and start pulling all this stuff apart, and we can work on the bed and everything with it all. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on these brackets. So next time you see it, hopefully we're working on the steering and all this stuff will be done, so we don't bore you with it. So there you go. Till next time.